pada tanggal 20 Agustus 2023 di Bandara Internasional Tampa, polisi menerima laporan tentang seorang penumpang wanita yang mengucapkan perkataan mengancam dan segera menuju lokasi.
Hello.
So this passenger, I'm not sure why she wants to speak with you, but she has every right. We already let her know she was being denied boarding.
Okay.
Just due to the comments she made downstairs at check-in. Management was just made aware at 7:30.
Okay.
She's automatically denied boarding and being put on our no-fly list.
Okay.
She stated if she wasn't getting a seat on our overseas flight, she was going to blow the place up, and that's not a threat, it's a promise. We can't have passengers saying that, especially when staff is just doing their job, especially when there wasn't a supervisor even on duty. So,
Just so I can be sure, so you guys denied her boarding. Did you give her? She got a refund and everything.
she's got the refund card. She has to take it up with Frontier because of the situation.
Right.
It's up to Frontier's discretion.
Right.
So we're not sure. Pending right now investigation. She's just unchecked from the flight and denied boarding for today, but possibly she may be put on the no-fly list.
Okay.
So
Give me a minute.
A bomb, like, really? And she was talking to another customer, and I need to get on.
I need you.
And
I need you to get off the phone, ma'am. Okay. Here's the issue that we have here. They have denied you boarding for this flight. Okay. Which means you don't have a valid boarding pass anymore. Which means you cannot be here. She said they've issued you a refund card that you're going to have to take up with Frontier.
I will.
But none of that is going to happen here. So what we're going to do.
No, I will.
Yeah.
Frontier, I'm done.
That's fine.
I'm
But
done.
what we're going to do, though, is we're going to
No.
go get on the shuttle and we're going to go back to the landside terminal, all right?
No.
And if you would like to try to book passage with another airline and stuff,
I would
go
definitely do
ahead.
that. I would definitely do that.
Sir,
Say what they said she said?
Supposedly a bomb threat, and she's helping it.
Well,
and she-
ma'am, over here. Let's walk over here. Let them talk.
no.
Don't let them talk, and we'll talk.
she said if I don't get a seat on this overbooked flight, I'm going to blow this place up.
Ma'am,
That's not true.
ma'am, that's their
She needs to go to jail.
conversation.
She needs to go to jail? Yes, sir.
Look at 790, 162, 163. Babe, look at it first and you tell me.
All right.
Polisi berbicara dengan staf lain untuk mencari tahu lebih dalam apa yang sebenarnya membuat wanita itu begitu marah. Awalnya, dia marah karena harus membayar biaya tambahan sebesar $104 untuk bagasi kabin. Lalu, kemarahannya semakin memuncak setelah mendengar bahwa dia tidak memiliki kursi di pesawat. Sampai akhirnya, dia berkata dengan nada tinggi, "Saya bakal ledakin bandara ini." Tapi ada satu hal yang perlu kita tahu. Frontier Airlines di Amerika, dari tahun 2022 sampai 2024, tercatat sebagai maskapai dengan tingkat keluhan penumpang paling tinggi di Amerika. Mulai dari penerbangan yang sering dibatalkan, keterlambatan, pelayanan yang dianggap tidak ramah, hingga tiket murah yang disertai biaya tambahan di hampir semua layanan, semua ini membuat banyak penumpang kecewa. Namun walaupun begitu, apa yang dia ucapkan tetaplah sesuatu yang sama sekali tidak boleh diucapkan di bandara.
She can tell us right now
Yeah, it was just, I was like 104, and I was just took me for a surprise. And I was talking to the guy, and the girl was helping another customer, and she was being hostile with me. She was like, "I'll see you at the gate. I'll see you."
Ma'am, here's the thing. There's certain things you can't say.
I know.
You can't say fire in a movie theater. You can't say you're gonna blow up the airport.
And then say both the airport.
Ma'am, they said if you don't get on a plane, you're gonna blow this place up. That's what they're saying.
I did not say that up there. I didn't say if I don't get over, because that's why I got my ticket. Like, why would I say that up here?
What was the conversation like?
It was downstairs, and I'm like, are you serious? $104
Oh,
plus
you hit the ticket?
at the ticket. I just said nothing at the counter,
You're exactly
nothing
right.
at all.
She said at the counter.
And that's with the girl with the hair. She was down there, and she was being hostile to me. She was like, "I'll see you."
What was that conversation?
Because I was like, $104? Are you serious? I'm like, really? And she was like getting hostile.
And what did you respond?
I said, I was like, I didn't say I will blow up this place if I don't get on the plane, because I'm checking my.
Dia mulai sadar bahwa ucapannya tentang akan meledakkan bandara adalah sebuah kesalahan besar. Karena itu, dia bersikeras mengatakan bahwa dirinya tidak pernah mengucapkan hal tersebut. Namun polisi setelah berbicara dengan staf Frontier, memastikan bahwa dia memang benar mengatakannya. Dan setelah itu, dia mendengar sesuatu dari polisi yang sama sekali tidak pernah ia duga.
You have to notify the FBI about this stuff.
So the FBI.
It's Tony.
Anytime you say anything of that
And
circumstance,
she was being hostile with me as well.
can't say stuff like that, especially not in an airport.
Listen, service can be rude sometimes, but
I can't feed back into it.
I mean,
Well, if she's in-
you can argue, man, with
But
somebody.
yeah, I will.
No, let me finish. You can argue, like right now, I can argue with you. You can argue with me. All right, it won't be productive unless we listen to each other. You argue back with me, and I argue back with you. At the point that we take it to a level that there's laws that address the extent that we're going, we can be breaking the law. Then, if you yell something that's not allowed by law in a movie theater or in an airport, then it's a big deal. So that's where you've got to understand that. You seem like a nice lady, but that's not a question here. Like, and I'm figuratively speaking. If right now I started yelling fire, 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 well, that's against the law. If I start yelling, I'm gonna blow this place up. There's a bomb. There's a bomb. Well, that's against the law. There's a law for that. If you call me a no good, bald-headed, whatever, there's no law against that.
I said so train, so plain, because that's what they call Spirit and Frontiers. It's like literally it's ghetto.
I don't know
And
that.
it's the cheapest.
But ma'am, here's the thing. Okay? Bottom line, what they're saying you said, you can't say over there. And we can't, in this environment, we can't look the other way. Okay? So that's why I double checked with what was said. And the statute just says all you got to do is threaten to do it. Okay? And that's like I said, now we have to notify the FBI. We have to notify our detective who's a liaison. We got Carol's getting the written stuff over there.
I want to see it before I sign anything. I'm not.
Well, ma'am, right now I'm just informing you. Okay,
I just want to make sure I'm not being.
you're probably
But
going to be arrested, but I just need you to stay as calm as you are right now. Ma'am, it's one of those things.
I'm looking for a job.
Ma'am, listen to me. Okay, I'm not acting this way because I don't want you to see me as uncaring. Okay, do you hear what I'm saying? I'm just being bare bones with you. Bare bones. These are certain things you cannot do in this environment that cannot be overlooked. Now it can be looked into later. They can go and they can do whatever they do, but that's federal.
So I'm being arrested.
Ma'am, I'm not gonna lie to you.
I didn't do anything.
Okay. Let's start heading.
You can sit down.
Kata-kata itu memang terdengar seperti ucapan spontan karena emosi. Tapi, polisi tetap menegaskan bahwa kasus ini akan dilaporkan ke FBI. Dan tentu saja, ada alasan yang sangat jelas di balik keputusan itu. Setelah peristiwa 9/11 di masa lalu, Amerika Serikat memperketat hukum dan sistem keamanan di bandara secara besar-besaran. Sejak saat itu, setiap ucapan yang dianggap sebagai ancaman di area bandara tidak pernah lagi dianggap sepele. Bandara berada di bawah pemerintah federal. Jadi kalau ada ancaman yang berkaitan dengan terorisme, hal itu wajib segera dilaporkan ke FBI. FBI atau Biro Investigasi Federal adalah lembaga utama di Amerika Serikat yang menangani kasus terorisme, spionase, kejahatan terorganisir, serta hal-hal yang berhubungan langsung dengan keamanan nasional. Perempuan ini akhirnya didakwa atas ancaman bom, yang tergolong kejahatan berat, serta membuat keributan di tempat umum, yang termasuk pelanggaran ringan. Di bandara, wajar jika seseorang bisa marah atau mengumpat. Tapi ada kata-kata yang sama sekali tidak boleh diucapkan.